today our topic is business intelligence infrastructure components and business processes. Under this category, under this topic, we will discuss about the major component of business intelligence infrastructure. And the learning objective of this session is to understand the major component of business intelligence and the introduction to all the major components of business intelligence. And learning outcome will be to understand the business intelligence components and their functionality. What will be the agenda for today's session? That is to discuss about the major components of BI, and that are the OLAP, online analytical processing, advanced analytics or corporate performance management, CPM, real-time business intelligence, data warehousing, and data sources. So there are 5 primary components which we have already discussed under the agenda, and these are again OLAP, advanced analyticals or CPM, real-time business intelligence, data warehousing, and data sources. So let's discuss about all the topics. The first one is OLAP, that is online analytical processing. This component of business intelligence allows executives to sort and select aggregate of data for strategic monitoring with the help of specific software, products, and certification. In business intelligence, as the business owners can use data to make adjustment to overall business process. So OLAP is used for the analytical purpose, and that analysis will be done by the executives who are monitoring the business and who are governing the business. And by using that OLAP, we can find out some solutions of any problem is encountered at any point of time during the business, and this will help to find some impactful solution to adjust the overall business process. So OLAP is a term which is used for online analytical processing, and it is based on the previous transactions. There will be 2 terms we will discuss in upcoming slides and upcoming lectures, that is OLTP, online transaction processing, and OLAP, online analytical processing. So we will differentiate what is the difference between the OLTP and OLAP in next lecture. So for this time, only for the understanding purpose, we can take OLAP as it is a component of BIs to make some adjustments to overall business process after sorting and selecting the aggregate of the data for the strategic monitoring. Second component is advanced analytics or corporate performance management, CPM, and this is a set of tools allows business leaders to look at the statistics of certain products or services. For instance, a fast food chain may analyze the sale of certain items and make local, regional, and national modification on menu board offering as a result. The data could also be used to predict in which market a new product may have the best success. So, for example, we are running a company which deals in the food items like Nestle and other major companies, and we can analyze at instance what item is consumed where, in which region we are having the maximum sale for a certain product, So we can improve the inventory control and supply chain management to get the maximum uh, business hold or maximum business share in particular region. And we can analyze which product is in more demand and which will be in more demand in upcoming days according to the weather, according to the season. Like some products are sold out more in summers, but they have no market during the winters. So all these things can be done for the analytical purpose by the business leaders to look at the statics of certain products or services. The third component is real-time business intelligence in a mobile society. This particular component of business intelligence is becoming increasingly popular. Using software applications, a business can respond to real-time trends in email, messaging systems, or even digital display because it's all the real time. An entrepreneur can announce special offers that take advantage of what's going on in the immediate. Marketing professionals can use data to craft creative, limited time specials such a coupon for hot soup on a cold day. CEOs may be interested in tracking the time of day and location of customers as they interact with a website. So, marketing can offer special promotions in real time while the client is engaged on the website. So, we can understand these things as a customization. According to different customers, we are customizing our services in real time because now business is global and on the globe in different region and different areas we have different geographical conditions, different cultural conditions, and different type of anthropology for the particular reason. And we are customizing our service by using the real-time business intelligence for the customers. For example, we are dealing like we are taking example of MACD. So MACD is supplying food products over the globe, but in India, they know most of the consumers are vegetarian. So they have a menu for person who are looking for food items or meals from the India, mostly vegetarian foods. But same, if we are taking the same example for another country, another European country or USA, they will mostly have the non-vegetarian. There is no macalu easily available. So there are some varieties which are making after analyzing the things which we have discussed in the previous topic. But in real time, what we are doing, we are customizing the things in real time at the instance of time. Okay, we are giving some coupons, we are giving some offers to the consumers, and there is totally in the real time. There is no delay. There is no any previously analysis thing. Totally is doing totally is in the real time according to the certain business rules because we have to set the business rules to deal with the database. So they are giving some special services, or they are giving them emails, they are giving them messaging systems like weekly. On the Wednesday, we all know there are some drop, also some special offers for the customers, because Wednesday is the mid of the working time of any week. So we have some different offers during this period to increase the sale, because people doesn't have any time to go to the market and such place, because they are engaged in their routine type or official works. So companies are giving them special offers during these days to attract the business. Or we can understand these things related to this BI, like day to day we have changes in the interest rate for different policies. So the persons who are dealing with the customer, they have their tablets with themselves, and they can easily track what is the actual business conditions at the time to deliver these information to the customer. So these things are the related to the real-time business intelligence. Data warehousing, let's speak. Business leaders sift through subset of data and examine interrelated components that can help drive businesses. Looking at the sales data over several years can help improve product development or tailor seasonal offerings. Data warehousing, we can understand that data warehouse is a place where all the data from different sources are stored after integration and cleansing of the data. And by using that concept of data warehousing, business leaders sift through subject of data and examine interrelated component. As if we have the sales data for several years, we can improve the product development. Like if we are finding that sale is continuously decreasing, it means we are not providing as per the customer's expectation. So we have to improve our product or services. And on the basis of sales, like during a financial year, in some particular uh, time, we have low sales. So we can make some offers to increase the sales in upcoming years during that time. And data warehousing can also be used to look at the statistics of the business processes, including how they related to one another. For instance, business owners can compare shipping times in different facilities to look at which process and teams work more efficiently. Data warehousing also involve storing huge amount of data in ways that are beneficial to different divisions within the company. So different division are the different departments, like sales department, finance, and QA department. So it will be beneficial for the different division within the company or an organization. The fifth component of business intelligence or business intelligence process, that is the data sources. Because when we are talking about any computing or any computer related thing, data is the most important thing. This component of business intelligence involves various forms of stored data. It's about taking the raw data and using software applications to create meaningful data sources that each division can use to positively impact business. Business intelligence analytics using this strategy may create data tools that allows data to be put into a large cache of spreadsheets, pie charts, tables, or graphs that can be used for a variety of business purpose. For example, data can be used to create presentation that helps to structure attainable team goals. Looking at the strategic aspects of the data sources can also help organizations make fact-driven decisions that take into account a more holistic view of the needs of the company. So these are the major components of the business intelligence. like OLAP, CPM, data warehousing, real-time business intelligence, and data sources. Thank you.